Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. It has been an amazing month, right? We had so many awesome items that we released this month. Kenny and I thought, you know what, it'd be a really good idea to do an overview video because you know what, I'm worried you might have missed something. And I wanna make sure that you got everything you wanted to get this month. Now, of course, most of the items will still be on our website, but you know, you wanna get them now before later, you know, that kind of thing. Ready? First of all, this was part of our kit club. We had a cute little, this is one of our pattern papers. This is a stamp set from our kit club. But this month, our Stamp and Die Hard club were these cute little snowmen. Now, the snowmen itself that were in the club were, are you ready for this? Look at this one. These two guys, the one sitting up and the one standing up with his arms out. So cute, so fun. Also, we released this fun inside scallop circle. Now the inside scallop circle is really awesome because not only is it the inside scallop, it also has a stitch mark all the way around and dots. It is gorgeous in real life. Let me show you this one because that one will show you a little bit better. Here's that snowman again, but here you have the little dots, the little pin dots. Then you also have the stitch line in that gorgeous inside scallop. Now, also perfect for shaker cards. You know how we all love our shaker cards. So cute, those little snowmen. There were also add-on snowmen. So here are the 3 add-on snowmen, and look how cute they are. They just have a lot of personality and a lot to say. Aren't they fun? I love them. Now, we also re-released our double Z fold card. Dun, dun, dun. It was originally on HSN, completely sold out. Now it is available on our website. We also re-released our snowman fold it, which he's so cute, and our stocking fold it. So fun. Now, we released brand new our fancy frame, but with the pin dot. Isn't that gorgeous? I absolutely love that pin dot. It's so subtle, but wow, it really makes a statement. Now, the double pop out. Are you ready? This is one of my favorites. Are you ready? Wowzers. Imagine sending this to someone, whoops, wowzers. Look at that, isn't that awesome? I absolutely love it. Wowzers, it just pops out. Now, we also have our cute little Kirsten. Isn't she adorable? Her clothing will fit on the other Little Peeps clothing, and the Little Peeps clothing will also fit on Kirsten. And we released that fun stamp set that says, hey, I didn't sign this card. You can send it to someone else. Isn't that awesome? Now, we also released, and I can't believe I don't have him here, this cute little guy, our adorable little scarecrow. You can see my fun wreath that I have back there, but look at this. This is a work of art. Now, our scarecrow is a slimline fold-it, but the best part about him is he fits in a standard 6-inch machine, which is oh so important. Now, we released so much. I have this bucket of goodies down here, and I fear that I've missed 1 or 2. So I'm gonna dig down deep here, and I wanna make sure I show you all of them. So here's that scarecrow again, and we also released this adorable turkey, Tom Turkey. You know, you can never have too many Tom Turkeys. And here's that cute little guy there. Now, look at all these awesome samples I have. If you missed out on seeing any of the videos, you definitely need to go check it out. Look at all these fun samples. You missed out on seeing all of these. So go watch those videos, go check them out. Look how beautiful and gorgeous this guy is. That scarecrow, I think, is probably one of my favorites this month. So, guess what, my friends? Club members, you're getting the club discount on every single one of these items. Imagine going to our website and getting 15 to 20% off every single day that you're a club member. It's not a one-time deal. No, no, no. It's every single day. As long as you're a club member, you're getting a 15 to 20% discount off of our entire website. Entire website. No exclusions. None. Zip. Zilch. Everything. It's like a sale every single day. And the best part about it all is our regular prices can't be beat anywhere, but then you're getting 15 to 20% off of that as well. I know, it's amazing. Go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. Make sure you go check out all the new items because I don't want you to miss any of them. And fall is coming, autumn's coming. We gotta get those things made that we wanna get made, especially, hello, our wreaths, right? Awesome. Thanks so much. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.